In today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make a very easy, delicious, no-bake, my favorite Lotus Biscoff cream cheese cake. So we will be needing a big packet of Lotus Biscoff biscuits. This is total 250 gram. You can also take small packets. This is easily available online or you can buy it from stores. How to make this Lotus Biscoff biscuit? I have already uploaded on my YouTube channel. The link I will give you in the description box. So I am blending this in a mixie jar. You can also blend this in a blender. Now we will need 6 tablespoons of melted butter. I am using salted butter. You can also use unsalted butter, but it should be melted, and then give this all a very good mix until the butter is well combined with this fine powder of biscuits. Then I am placing these powder biscuit into this spring form mold, which is also easily available in the shops. I have already greased this with some oil. You can save some biscuit powder for the garnishing at the top of the cake. I have used almost all the powder, and now with the back of a spoon or back of a glass, anything, you need to press this very nicely. And now we need to refrigerate this until our next step. Here I am taking total 1 cup of cream cheese. You can also take 1.5 cup. And now I am beating this until this becomes soft. Into this I am going to add 4 big spoons of Lotus Biscoff spread. This is also easily available in the markets. I have melted this using microwave. You can also melt it using double boiler method. You can also make, by the way, this Lotus Biscoff spread by using Lotus Biscoff biscuits. Again I am beating this until this all combines well. You can also use a hand whisk here or a spatula. You just need to work a little harder then. Then here in another bowl I am taking total half cup of cold whipping cream. Then we need to beat this until we achieve soft peaks, and then into this I am adding total 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. My cream was already sweetened whipping cream, that is why I am adding less amount of sugar. You can add more sugar if your cream is unsweetened. Then we need to beat this until we gain medium stiff peaks. Now I am adding the whipping cream gradually into the cream cheese and Lotus Biscoff spread mixture, and mix this gently after every addition. So here I have removed the mold that we have refrigerated, and now I am adding this mixture that we prepared, all the mixture, and using a spatula I am trying to even this out. You can use a knife or anything that you have at your home. So the top right now it is not very pretty, but it's okay because we need to add some Lotus Biscoff spread again. So refrigerate this for another 1 hour. So post 1 hour, now I am spreading some Lotus Biscoff spread at the top of this. I have melted this using microwave. This is not total half cup, a little less than half cup. I also added more off camera. Then spread this evenly and refrigerate again for total 8 hours or overnight. So it's been more than 8 hours, and now I am demolding it. I have kept a glass below this, and now I am slowly pressing it down. Now the leftover biscuit powder for garnishing, I am using this. The decoration part is totally up to you. You can insert some biscuits on the top or like whatever you want. Now let's cut into this luscious and gorgeous cake. Apart from how beautiful this cake is looking, this tastes absolutely heavenly. There is a reason why this cake is my favorite. I just love these biscuits, the spread, the cake. I mean, like the whipping cream and the cream cheese have just enhanced the taste of this cake. All the spices combined in the biscuit, then in the spread, and now in the cake have just taken this cake to another level. This is just not like any ordinary cake. You need to try this once to know what I'm trying to say. Till then, goodbye.